How to know if your order is successful on the iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can know if your order is successful on the iconic. So if you made an order and then you're not sure if it's successful, don't worry, just watch this video to the end and then you'll be taught on what to do. Now, one thing you must notice that all orders that have been successfully placed will be accompanied by an order confirmation through your email. While signing up for the iconic, you have to enter an email address, right? Yeah, that email address is currently linked to your account. So all orders that have been successfully placed will be accompanied by an order confirmation through email. So this confirmation should arrive within an hour from your purchase. Okay. Sometimes it might land in your spam folder. So in case you can't get it in your inbox, ensure you check your spam folder. And then you can also find the order confirmation and the status of your order under your iconic account in the orders list. So how do you do this? Move to the top right corner of the screen after you have go to your purchase where you can see the option track orders. Track orders is located next to returns and before share your ideas. So after clicking on track orders, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see all of your orders. Once your order can be displayed there, and then by the time you click on it, you can see your tracking number. That means that the order is already successful. Okay, so that is basically how to do it. You definitely get another through email or by checking here. And then if you still cannot get it or you do not get it, just go ahead and contact the customer support by clicking on the contact us option or by moving to your iconics page and then clicking on this widget so that you can chat directly with the virtual assistant. So this is how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.